You too. We back. Today's gonna be a beach day. We ain't working on the cars today. We're gonna see what kind of trouble we gonna get into at the beach. Ain't that right, Ma? So yeah, we just finally made it to Daytona. This is coastal spot. Daytona. World's famous beach. You ready for the beach, Lily? Ready for the beach, man? Where your glasses at? I don't see your sunglasses on.
It's over there.
You hot? You want me to cut the AC on? Or you good?
I'm fine.
That's what's up. Alright, you two, soon we hit the beach and set up, I'll cut y'all back on. You two, we back. We're checking out this beautiful view at the ocean today. It's amazing. I gotta take this shirt off, man. Let this goddamn keg go. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful day. Represent who you want. I'm working on the car today. Number family. Lily! Lily! You out here in a sweater. Why don't do that? You're gonna get the camera wet. Really? This set don't do that, man. What's wrong with you, man? That girl lost her mind. What happened?
Huh?
You see the big dog truck? Had to use that 4x4 today. We got all the Jeeps out. We got the one Chevrolet in the middle, just in case somebody gotta get pulled out. So how you feel at the beach, Ma?
Feeling wonderful, relaxing. Ouch! Sure, she can take a picture of us, Pop.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, thank you.
That Jeep go hard right here, boy. Oh yeah.
You wanna do that, babe? You wanna do that?
No more now. Go to the ocean.
We have two in the car.
But that's Lily's. That's Lily's.
Then wait. You wanna go in the ocean? How about you sit down?
That girl trying to play you, man.
Huh?
She gonna run to the ocean. So you gotta be careful.
What's wrong?
chilling, you know, with the family, taking it easy. Sitting back, thinking back, see what the next plan is. Or they're going crazy, checking me out over here. You know what to do, like and subscribe. Get back with me.